Hello students, welcome in our English class today. We will start with the first chapter of English literature. The name of the chapter is A New House. It was written by Neil Gaiman in 1960. He is an English famous writer for his fantasy work. This story will take you to the fantasy world. This story revolves a little girl, Coraline, that how she spent her first 2 weeks in the house they have recently shifted to. It was a very cold summer that year, but Coraline wanted to go out and explore, as she loves to explore things. Here, a very cold summer shows that the story is about an European land. In European countries, the summer are colder as compared here in India. So one day it rained. When Coraline had to stay inside, she was not supposed to go out to play, roam around. She was asked to play inside, and she was feeling very lonely as both parents were working. So they were busy in their work, and she was very disturbed and upset. So she asked her mother, "What should I do?" Her mother said, "Read a book, watch a video, play with toys, or partner with Miss Spink or Miss Forcible." These two characters or these two ladies, Miss Spring or Miss Forcible, wanted Miss, and they were old Crumpkins lady. And here is another old man or another character who lives upstairs. When Caroline's mother asked her to play with toys, watch videos and all, she said, "No, I don't want to do all this. I wanted to explore." Coraline went over to the window. She watched the rain come down. She watched all the videos. She was bored with the toys. She turned on the television. She kept on changing the channel. She kept on searching, but what she found was the man talking about stock marketing. You know what is stock market? Stock market is a business of buying and selling companies from portions of them. Again, she kept on searching the channels. Eventually, she found something to watch. She found a natural history channel program where the program was telling about protective coloration in the animals, birds and insects, how they disguise themselves as leaves or ticks or other animals to escape. So she enjoyed that program. But that program was also ended soon. जल्दी वो प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया जिसे वो पसंद कर रही थी. Now what to do? अब क्या करें? Now she is again lonely. अब वो फिर अकेली हो गई. Then she went to the father. Caroline's father was home and he was working on his computer from home, all your father must be doing nowadays, as we all are quarantined, isn't it? So he was also very busy and said hello to Coraline without turning. She asked him whether she could go out to play with the rain. He inquired what was the instruction of her mother to her. That means that he also don't want to allow her to go out. She said, "I wanted to explore." So her father suggested her to take a piece of paper and pen and count all the doors and windows. He said, "List everything that is blue and ask her not to disturb him." Then poor girl, she counted all the doors and windows. She went to the drawing room with his father's permission. where nobody was allowed to go, where they kept expensive furniture and it was only for the guests. And his father allowed her to go to the drawing room but warned her not miss and touch anything. He said, if you don't miss a thing and touch anything, then only I will allow you to go. And go to the drawing room, and this poor girl counted everything that was blue. There were 153 in numbers. She counted the windows. There were 21. She counted the doors. There were 14. Now she found that 13 doors were open, but one door was locked. That was far corner of the drawing room. She said to her mother, where does the door go? Her mother unlocked the door with the rusting key. Her mother was right. The door didn't go anywhere. It opened onto a brick wall. She told her that where this place was one house, that door went somewhere, but now they turned the house into flats. So they simply bricked it up. That other side is still for sale. So she didn't lock the door again, saying it doesn't go anywhere. Now the scene is shifted to the dinner table, where the father stopped working and made dinner. So Coraline was disgusted. She was upset. She didn't want to have a recipe or dishes prepared by father again. Its leaves and potatoes stewed with a targot garnish and melted cheese. She's really upset and she did not want to have that. She went to the freezer and got some microwave chips and mini pizza. That night she lay awake in a bed. The rain started. She heard a different types of sounds. She went downstairs. She saw a dark, thin shadow, and that dark shadow was her own. Then Coraline turned on the light. There was nothing in the corner but the door opened onto the brick wall. Coraline closed the door and went back to her bed. She dreamed of a black shapes slide from place to place. Their little shapes with red eyes and shaped yellow teeth started to sing. We are small, but we are many. Like this, we were here before you rose. We will be here where you fall. They made her feel uncomfortable. She dreamed a few commercial, then she went down in a sleep. Commercial means an advertisement. So here ends your first chapter summary. I hope you all understood it and enjoyed this story. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Be safe. Stay home. सब लोग सुरक्षित रहो.